Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Accessibility section, and then to Talkback. Then you have to enable this feature here. After that, Talkback.
Talkback.
And that's how you can turn on this feature.
Talkback.
And that's how you can disable it.
Alert stop Talkback. Stop. Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.